something could really happen to your Facebook account, Facebook page. Something weird's happening, something weird, or it's not replying, or there may be delays, or double fire up, or it messes all your chatbots. Okay, so listen up to this video and make sure to finish it, and I'll be starting to show you and help you out. Okay, so I'll finish this intro and then we will start. I help businesses, freelancers learn chatbot marketing for their business to increase their leads and conversions. My name is DJ Dadula and I am the marketing DJ. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy. All right, guys. So if you're watching this, probably you are experiencing some issues with Facebook and Messenger, chatbot stuff. And in this video, I want you to understand the platforms that I am introducing, and these platforms I have been using for my clients in my own business, and also platforms that I teach. Okay, so I know there are a lot of issues happening on Facebook and with other platforms like Manychat, Chatrace, and Chatfuel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot. What's the first thing that you want to do, you want to check, and what are the bypass. So what are the solutions? Maybe your customers are messaging you, you want to message them, but your chatbot is not working and it's not responding according to what you have designed. So this is not a tutorial how to create chatbots or how to configure them, but this is a layer, Facebook layer, Facebook page layer, and understanding of the platform. So first of all, if you want to check if there's something happening or there's something, issues that you've detected it with your chatbots, just go to developers.facebook.com/status. I put this in the description below so that you can easily navigate this. So what this does, this is the main developers. So Facebook has opened their API. So basically the platforms that we know, they actually are dependent on the Facebook developers. So if you are experiencing some degraded functions or malfunctions with your bots, just go directly to this website. This is Facebook's official support page in the platform status. So there's a lot of things going on here, and you can see the platform status and the current issues. There are current issues right now at this time, and also the previous history. So the good thing about this is that when you have a client, maybe you are on your business, you can report this. You can actually get this one and just screenshot or save this or whatever you want to extract it, and just you can save each timestamp that you are having issues. At least you know where you should be troubleshooting or considering to redesign or make a workaround. So you see there are currently degraded performance here, so it's clearly here that this is a degraded performance. If you click that, you will see the stats here, and Facebook is currently investigating. You can click this one, and then this is the official ticket, and then this is the bug report. You can actually read people's or developers reports here. Maybe there's something similar to yours. At least you know how to explain and used to know what to expect, or what to really plan out. So that's where you want to do that. And also you can subscribe here, like you could be emailed whatever if you want, and this is best for marketing agencies, consultants, and developers. So just go around here, issues, and then you can see the current issues that are happening right now. So if you are using like Manychat, you can go actually to status.manychat.com in the description below, and here you can find an active overview status about their platform if you're using Manychat, and this is really a helpful page. You can subscribe here whatever you want, phone, Twitter, or whatever, your RSS or anything that you want here, and you can actually view the historical uptime whenever possible, that you can see the calendar. So the incidents are active here. You can see that these are the recent on May 14, and it has been resumed. So if you go back to the main page, you can see the past incidents where there is none, but apparently it's kind of delay. So this is not really directly synchronized with Facebook platform, because this is obviously a monitoring on the Manychat page, Manychat platform, not on the Facebook. So if Manychat subscribers or users have been reporting with regards to this one, there should be an incident here referencing the bug report here. Same as in the Chatfuel, for example. Chatfuel also has this almost similar status page here, and I think they'll be using the same status page. Yeah, they've been using the same tracker, and you can see that this one they have reports. So this is what it looks like. So if you click that, there should be a detailed report here, and then I think this is resolved. Okay, so if you wanna know the status here, you can also subscribe, whatever you like. And the Chatfuel and Chatrace is almost identical, because they're using in status. It's also a good platform to check the status of a platform. So they have get updates in Slack, email, and webhook to your website, or whatever API you want. So buttons, like for example, these are updated. So in May 28th, they actually reported this. So if we click this, it reference back to the status in Facebook, which is, I suppose, there's nothing here. Maybe you can just copy this and paste it somewhere else. You can see the detailed back report from Facebook, and it's a sign it's not yet resolved. So expect that there is actually still errors or problems with the this current issue, and also on this one. So you can actually check here, check this one, and you see if there's an actual fix. But right now it's Facebook is working on that fix. So you can see the proportion information is that these platforms are referencing the issues to Facebook, because they're just using Facebook's platform APIs, and if there's something wrong with it, the platforms will report it. But of course, you can also see here the API if it's up and running 100%. And in Messenger, so you see that okay, so there's a partial outage with Messenger, so you would know that, hey, something wrong with the platform. No, something wrong with the Messenger and Facebook itself. So all other reports are here, and that's really good. So what will you do? What could you do? So you can actually report an issue to support, if ever, and then you can email them and ask for support. So unlike here, there is no actually report, and in Manychat there's no actual report. It's a good thing about Chatrace, they have a report email that you can really contact. So what could you do if something happens? So we would actually open our Facebook page, and we will configure some basic stuff, and how can you communicate with your customers. So if you open your page like this, so we're going to your page. Let's say, for example, this is my page, and what you're gonna do, if you see this page here, this is an example of my page, and you can go to settings. Your page could look different. There's a new page experience, and you could see different than this, but I think you can switch that over to another version or something. But this actually what it looks like on my end. But basically, it's the settings here, the tabs are almost identical. So what you want to do is go to advanced messaging, and if something happened, if you have configured, make sure to check out my other videos. You can see this in the screen and the description, how to configure this one. For example, I'm using a bot cake as my chatbot platform. So if there's something happen, since your page is reporting actually directly to this app, because I have multiple apps that I've been testing before, what you have to do is just remove it. Okay, just remove everything here and you should be fine. It acts like there's no chatbot there, but actually there is. So don't worry about this. What will actually happen is that Facebook will just see the page inbox as the one who can communicate to the subscribers or the page users who are chatting your page. So there's no actually have to worry about this about your chatbot platform, but to make sure you don't reply from your chatbot platform. Okay, you reply from your page just for this incident. If there's something happening, just remove it, and then what you have to do is just go to messages. Okay, just go to messages. You can find it here, your page, right? And then inbox, and then you can actually message your subscribers. Make sure you go to done folder. Most of the time it's there on done if these are selected, but if there's nothing here, make sure to check out my video, other videos. I have explained everything about this. So if this is selected nothing, you can actually see the messages in the main folder. If you see the done folder, if you see the chats on the done folder, basically it means that you have assigned a chatbot platform here. So just remove it. Everything will be back to the main folder, but only all the incoming messages, but the existing ones, they're still on the done folder. It will not automatically move to the main folder. But what will happen if you remove that is that when you reply to your customer, it will actually move to the main folder, and that's how you want to communicate with them. It's safe, and it's Facebook algorithm. You can do that just for this issue if it recurs. Okay, so if something is back, if the issue is back, you know, if it's safe, you can just revert back if you're using any chatbot platform that is catching chats, or you have a live chat function enabled. And yeah, so this is how you want to configure it. So make sure also that you are telling Facebook, hey, someone actually providing some support here. Or if you want to, if you turned off your bot, just make sure that you actually click this one, are all provided by people. It means you're telling Facebook that, hey, my page only replies to someone, not any bot, not any platform are replying. Okay, so just tell Facebook that, and then you should be okay. All right, so that's about it. This is my video. I hope it helps. I hope it clears out some things, and it can, you know, help you plan out to your own platform, your company, your business, or your clients. Make sure to report everything. You can screenshot this. You can report it to them that, hey, something happened to the Facebook platform. It's not within this, but you can also reference back any chatbot platforms that you are using, maybe using other platforms. Just go to their status page, and then you should good to go. So thumbs up to this video if you like it, if it's something helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have other requests so that we can help out. I can create another video for you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's so amazing. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. Keep it up, and I hope you learned something today, and see you next time.